welcome back to another Money Tip Monday. Today we're back to talk about gifts. And gifts when it comes to buying a home, they can help you expand your purchasing power, they can help you qualify, and they're a really awesome way to just get into a house sooner than having to save a large down payment. If you are somebody who is fortunate enough to know someone who can help you out with some great down payment funds, this is a video for you. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you may notice I look a little different in this video. It definitely is a gem from the past. I actually recorded this, I think almost 2 years ago, and was going through our videos and thought, why don't we bring this back to Money Tip Monday? So let me know if you have any questions below regarding gifts at all and how they can help you purchase. My team is happy to answer any and all questions, and I look forward to seeing you on another Money Tip Monday. Hi there, it's Lizzie Hofer, and I'm back with another home buying tips video, and today we're talking about gifts. Now, gifts are kind of a strange topic in mortgages because typically people think that they have to save their down payments, but you can receive a gift from a family member or family-like relationship for your home loan. And it can be for all of the down payment, it can be for closing costs, it can be for closing costs and down payment, it could be for partial down payment, but you can definitely get a gift. Now, how we document a gift though is very important. Now, I have a very specific email instruction list and an attached gift letter that I will send you if this pertains to your particular scenario, but a couple of key things that I really think are important for you to know. So one, your relationship with your donor. So this has to be a family member or a family-like relationship, and when we say family-like, it has to be documentable and not through Facebook, right? I have to be able to show that you guys lived together in the past or that you had, a long-standing relationship, and as I'm having trouble figuring out examples in my head, you can see where I'm going. This is very, very challenging. So in my mind, the easiest way is to get a gift from family. Now, a gift from family would then come from either a transfer from their account into your account. It would come from in form of a cashier's check, again, from a withdrawal from their account into your account, or it would be a wire transfer or cashier's deposit directly to title. Now, I said one key thing 3 different times, and that was it had to be a withdrawal from their bank account into the next source. It is super key that we document that those funds came from your donor's account. If we cannot document that they came from the donor's account, unfortunately, underwriting will not let us use this. Now, in order to prove that, occasionally we need a copy of their bank statement, or we need a copy of their transaction history, or a letter from their bank saying that they had X, balance in their account and that they verify the transfer or the deposit or the cashier's withdrawal on X date, okay? This is super important. You should talk about this to your donor when discussing your gift because occasionally they feel that this is an invasion of their privacy, and we always want to respect all of our donors' generosity, but I don't want you to end up having to go back and forth with them and create tension where there doesn't need to be. Now, the next thing is a gift letter. Now, a lot of you guys think that you're just going to write a letter that says, to whom it may concern, I'm giving Sally X dollars for her home buying process. But this is actually a standardized form that we'll send to you to get signed. Now, it's going to have the name of your donor, their relationship to you, the amount that they're giving you, the bank account that it comes from, and the institution and account number, right? And then they're going to sign it saying that you do not have to repay any of these funds, and then you will sign it as well. The key to a gift, guys, is that there is no repayment required. You are not allowed to borrow your down payment, so it cannot be a loan, even a personal one through family. Now, the third thing here that I want to discuss about gifts is that a gift amount has to be transferred and given in the exact amount that you get approved for, okay? So if that gift letter says that they're giving you $2,000, but in the end you only need $1,500, they still have to give you $2,000 because that's the way your home loan has been approved. Some of the ways that I avoid confusion is I have the donors just give the money as soon as possible in the home buying process, right? So that there is no confusion, but occasionally this will cause some issues if a gift isn't given until the very end.
So I just want to be very clear, however much they said that they're going to give you, they have to give you. Now, whether or not you give some of that back is your own choice, but for documentation purposes, they give you exactly the amount that they state in that letter. So I hope that this video was very helpful and explained a couple of things about gifts that maybe you didn't know. And if you found this valuable, I hope that you'll share this with friends and families also thinking about buying. And if you need anything, you know how to reach me. My contact information is below, and I look forward to hearing from you.